In this video, I'll show you how to add a text dissolve up animation, a clean and cinematic effect that makes your text gently dissolve and float upward. Let's go step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that complements this effect. Thin, elegant, or cinematic fonts usually work best for dissolve style animations. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Dissolve, creating a soft dissolve effect. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so there's no need to add any extra layers or effects. To control the speed of the dissolve, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow, cinematic dissolve up, or drag it to the right for a faster and more noticeable exit. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so it matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a text dissolve up animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.